DockNova, your portable workstation. Lightweight and convenient, DockNova easily equips your work environment. Expand your field of vision through HDMI, one-button black screen function, allowing you to protect your private work at any time. PD 100 watts high-speed charging, so that your device is always full of vitality. Support SD&TF card reading and writing, high-speed transmission, no need to wait. DockNova is your working partner to help you improve your work efficiency. No matter when and where, DockNova can protect your privacy. One-click black screen, no need to worry about work being peeped. The portable design of DockNova allows you to easily take it away to meet your working needs anywhere. Whether you're at an outdoor cafe or on the go, DockNova can easily meet all your needs. DockNova, your portable workstation.